In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill PDF form in DocHub. We'll start from the DocHub dashboard, which is the main place where you manage and open your documents. Once you're there, open the PDF form you want to complete. This will bring the file into the editor so you can begin filling it out right away. If your PDF already includes interactive form fields, the process is very simple. Look for any pre-made blue or shaded form box and click inside it. Those highlighted areas show you where text can be entered. Once you click into a field, type your information directly into the text box. This is the fastest way to complete a standard fillable PDF, and it helps keep everything neatly aligned. For selection fields, such as checkboxes or radio buttons, click directly inside the option you want to choose. DocHub will register your selection immediately. This is useful for forms that ask you to confirm choices, agree to terms, or select one option from a list. If your PDF is a flat PDF, meaning it doesn't have interactive fields built in, you can still fill it out using DocHub's text tool. In the top toolbar, click the text icon, shown as a capital A. After that, click anywhere on the form where you need to write and start typing. This lets you place text manually on top of the document wherever information is needed. After adding text to a flat PDF, take a moment to position it neatly. You can click and drag the edges of the new text box to move or resize it so it lines up properly with the form's lines or spaces. This step is especially important for keeping the document clean, readable, and professional looking. That's all it takes to fill out a PDF form in DocHub, whether the form is already interactive or needs manual text placement.